Hi and Assalamualaikum, especially to my beloved lecturer, Miss Maria binti Azizan, and to all my fellow friends. My name is Nura Farhana binti Sufyan, and today I'm going to talk about a topic that affects many of us, even if we don't always notice it. It's called beauty privilege, which is when people who are seen as attractive get better treatment or more opportunities just because of how they look. This privilege show up in many areas of life, like job hiring, school, the media, and even how people are treated in daily situations like shopping or customer service. Let's take a closer look at what it really means. First, what is beauty privilege? Beauty privilege means that someone who is considered good looking gets treated more positively, sometimes without doing anything special. People may think they are more confident, smarter, or kinder just because of their appearance. This happens because of something called the halo effect. That's a psychology term, which means when someone has one good quality like being attractive, we assume they have other good traits too, like being hardworking or friendly. Here an example. Imagine two people apply for the same job with the same qualification. One of them is dressed well, has clear skin, a bright smile, and they also fit society beauty standard. The other person looks average. Studies show the more attractive person is more likely to get the job. And this happens not because they are more skilled, but because of unconscious bias. Now, let's look at the real world impact. Let's look at how beauty privilege affects different parts of life. First point of the real world impact is job hiring. A study from China by Wu and Zhou 2019 found that employers were more likely to choose attractive candidates during interview, even if the less attractive one had the same or better qualification. This means some people get more chance in life simply because they look good, and that's very unfair at all. Point number 2 is about school. Okay, in school, teachers may unknowingly give more attention or support to attractive students. For example, a 2016 study by Talamas and others found that students who look more attractive were rated as more intelligent, even when their grades were the same as others. We move to point number 3 is customer service and daily life. Have you ever seen someone get a better service at a restaurant or shop just because they look nice? It's common. Attractive customers are often treated more politely or given faster service, even though everyone deserves equal treatment. Now, the last point is about media. Media is very serious impact that happen in our world. Most people we see in movies, ads, and social media are slim, tall, with clear skin. The same beauty standard over and over again. This makes us think that being attractive is what we should all aim for. It can be damaging, especially for young people who may feel they need to change how they look to be accepted. Now, I want to talk about the impact on self-esteem. Okay, the problem is people who don't meet this beauty standard often feel left out, invisible, or less confident. They might compare themselves to influencers or celebrities and feel like they are not good enough. Some may even go through extreme diet, beauty editing with filter, or too much filter, or consider plastic surgery just to fit in. This pressure to be perfect creates anxiety and low self-esteem, especially for teens and young adults. Now, I want to conclude all the presentation. So, to wrap up, beauty privilege is real. Attractive people often receive better opportunities in job, education, and even in everyday situation. Not because they are done more, but because of how they look. This doesn't mean attractive people are bad, but it does mean we need to be aware of our own bias and try to treat everyone fairly. Let's remember, a person's value isn't in how they look, it's in who they are. That's all for me. Thank you. Bye.